Hello students, welcome again in our chapter 6, Linear Inequalities. Students, today I am going to our related x-axis and y-axis. It means two-dimensional solutions. Two-dimensional solution, you know that x coordinate and y coordinate, there are four quadrants. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4 related. Students, 6.1 exercise we only studied that the R1 system. It means only number line. And here today we are going to R2 systems. R2 system means x-axis and y-axis related some kinds of inequalities. Also the possibility R cube, it is a vector, 3 dimensional, x-axis, y-axis and z. That's studied after that in the next chapter. Okay. So here students, there are two types. One of the x-axis, y-axis. Line given may be vertical, may be horizontal, may be neither vertical nor horizontal. So if you given that vertical line ax plus by is equal to c, there are two portions, left hand part, right hand part. So you just consider if you vertical line, then just create right hand part and left hand part. Same as if you neither vertical nor horizontal, then you can say lower half plane, and after that these are the upper half plane. Again repeat, if you vertical line, neither vertical nor horizontal, then lower half plane shading, either upper half plane shading. And if you vertical, then right hand side, either left hand part. Now students, I just start one little sum for you, exercise 6.2. Now students, I am going ahead, exercise 6.2. Solve the linear inequalities in the two dimension. Students, two dimension means you create x-axis and y-axis, our coordinate plane. And question is there, x plus y less than 5. Yes students, one by one I explain deeply. Suppose this linear equality, I assume that in the line forming. So suppose one of the line L, x plus y, always write down here is equal to. May be given less, either less or equal, either greater or equal, you always write down is equal to 5. After that I utilize what is the meaning for less than 5. But first I explain is equal to 5. Then you just create two little things in the table, x0, then after y0. If you taking x0, then what is the y? Yes, y is 5. And if you y0 putting, then what is the x? Yes, 5. It means your graph is easily derived the line forming. Here x dash, here y dash, here origin O, that you know. X coordinate till up to 5 means approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Students, you draw using pencil scaler and properly measure. First 0 to 5, x coordinate 0, y 5. It means you are here. Second, 5 0. It means you are here. And the both of the joints by using scale, that is your one of the line. And this line is an L line, x plus y is equal to 5. Now students, this line is a neither vertical nor horizontal. It means there are the two parts. These are the lower half plane, this region, and that are the upper half plane. These are upper half plane and these are the lower half plane. Now I determine which side is my answer derived, either lower half plane or upper half plane. So always you check out this origin. Different number is also possible, don't worry, but origin is best. So we verify our point O00 in that now not is equal to, in that given inequalities x plus y less than 5. Now check, 0 is less than 5. Actually 0 is less than 5. True? Yes, it is true. And if you true, then your shaded portion to true sides. If you false, then different sides. It's very easy. So you can making the shading in true sides. This is a true. It means your shading portion to that our lower half plane. Yes. Now here only less than. Less than means this line is not included in this answer. So you can draw one of the dotted line. Why dotted line I draw? Because this line is not included in the answer. After that nearest answer is possible. And this side is shading 0 0 sides. It means you can make using different color pen. And these are our shaded portion to in this region. That is region first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant also. And that's your answer easily we can derive here. So my solution of given our inequality. What is the given inequality? X plus y less than 5 is passing through origin or not? That first you write down. Is passing through 0 0 and now line and line L which have to x plus y is equal to 5 in here less than given, then you can write down open half plane. If you are equal to given, then write down close half plane. Yes, only less than given, then this line is not counted. So I just write down x plus 5 is equal to 5 in open half plane. Either you can write down it's the lower side part half plane and passing through. In which quadrant passing through? First, second, third and fourth, all four quadrants. So passing through in all four quadrants. And here students, your this answer is belonging by this shaping to answer here. Again I repeat, if you given here or equal to either greater or equal to, you can write down here not open half plane, you write down close half plane. Okay, so I am going to now after that same is our second question in same pattern. Now students, same as second question. Given inequality 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Now students, time come to greater than or equal to or equal to. It means at the last answer we can write down in the close half plane. Only given greater than. Then open half plane, but here or equal to given. So I can show the answer in the last answer close half plane. Okay, I start slowly. Suppose line L, I just assume that 2x plus y and any forming given here, you must be write down is equal. Yes. And going to table, and this table is a very easy alternate wise x0. Now x0. If you are taking x0, then what is the y? Yes, y is 6. Now if you y0, what is the x? 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Now you easily draw our x and y name. X dash. Here origin O and here y dash. Properly drawn using pencil scale. X axis up to that 3. It is 1, 2, 3. Y axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That value is your first of all point x0, y6. It means here students pointing. Y is a 3, 0. It means here you are the point and both of the joint. So these are the joining A to B sides. Your line L ready. neither vertical nor horizontal. It means lower half plane, and that is the upper half plane. So which side we moving? First checking condition. So you must be check 0, 0. 0.00 I checking in this given inequality. Students, you just checking also 0, 0 place another different points, just like 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. This side also checking. As you like, any point you check, but never take on the line point. Okay? So this point we apply 0 plus 0 greater than 6. 0 plus 0 greater than 6. It is true? No, not at all. It is not equal and not greater than. It means it is false. It is my shading, not this side, not the lower side, going to upper side. So also I taking another point, just like a 3, 4. I just assumption this point checking, either this point checking. For only clarifications, this answer true or not. So we checking here one more point, 3, 4. So 2x plus y, 2x is 3, y is 4. Your answer is 3 to the 6 plus 4, 10. And sure, 10 is greater than 6. Yes, it is true. Now students, this time I make the shading two side, this side, upper side, and or equal to given. So don't write down dotted lines. This side my shading portion is available in this part. It means quadrant number 1, quadrant number 2, and quadrant number 4. This side is my shading portion available, and that's my answer. They are infinitely moving, either this side upward, either this side down, and after that I write down my answer. So solution of given inequality. What is inequality? 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6 is not passing through 0, 0. In previous numerical passing through origin, already checked here, but here not passing through. So you must be write down passing through 0, 0 or not passing through 0, 0. And line. What is the line here? 2x plus y is equal to 6 in open half plane or closed half plane, greater than or equal to, then closed half plane, and only greater than printed then, only less than printed then open half plane. So write down in closed half plane and passing through. In which quadrant? First, second, and fourth. Yes, passing through in first, second, and fourth quadrant. This answer is you create down these equations. So students, why you checking line? I think you understood now. For drawing line in the coordinate plane and inequality checking, here the verifications. In these verifications, as you like students, different point is also possible, just like a 2, 5, just like a 3, 6, just like a 3, 7. Any point you take, this side also possible, but must be first checking 0, 0. And then after, you can easily decide which side is going your answer. Yes students, here our second question happily done. Same as students, third question. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Again repeat, less than or equal to means at the ending I show the answer in closed half plane. And solution is same as, suppose I just taking one of the line L, 3x plus 4y, necessary write down is equal to. Any given here, you necessarily write down is equal to. Then you can create line. So I just got our two things simple, x0 and y0. What is the taking x0 then? 4y equals to 12. y is equal to 12 by 4. It is 3. Now if y is 0, then 3x equals to 12. So x is equal to 12 by 3, which is 4. It means your graph is also here, students, moving that in this way. X up to 4 points, origin here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is maximum 3 here. So 1, 2, 3. Y axis, x axis. X dash, y dash. Now x0 by 3. It will be here your first point. 4, 0. Second point. And you can make the joining of A and B. And that's your line. To you make the using pencil scalar, L is your 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Now this line is neither vertical nor horizontal. It means lower half plane, upper half plane. I just go to checking origin 0, 0. These are checking. So verification. In the static portion O 0, 0, we have to 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Apply on it. 3, 0, 4, 0 less than 12. And check. It is true. 0 is less than 12. Yes, it is not equal but less than true. It means this case is true. It means true side shading this side. That's my answer. Now, wait here. Less than or equal to means it is close half plane, so no required to your dotted lines. Only you can shade this side your answer. In the quadrant of first, second, third and fourth quadrant, and this side, students, I just make the shade to connect it with the lines. Correct? Because in the two sides, origin is passing through that, and my solution is very easy. So, solution of given inequalities. My question is there. 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12 is, first write down passing through. Yes, definitely passing through 0, 0 and line L is a 3x plus 4y equal to 12 in open or close? Yes, in close half plane. And again, first, second, third and fourth, all the four quadrants plane and passing through. Again I write down in all four quadrants. And that's your final answer for this inequalities related students. I just completed here. Okay. Now students, one more questions. That is also interesting questions. Y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. Greater than or equal to means at the ending I just showing it is a closed half plane. And we start the same process. Suppose line in converting to inequalities. Y plus 8 is equal to 2x. You always write down is equal to whichever given here. So you can just go table in the two things. What by one alternative taking x 0, y 0. If you have 0, it means this case is 0. Y plus 8 equal to 0. What is y? Minus 8. Now, if you y 0 taking this one, 8 equal to 2x, x is equal to 8 by 2, means 4. So, your drawing is y negative side, x positive side. Because your answer is in this way, just running that. Y is negative, y axis, y dash. Here x dash, here x axis. And here you are known origin 0, 0. In the x place, I just go to up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You draw it using scale of proper measure, students. Properly measured. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Here minus 8. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and minus 8. Here your y axis. And that point is here. Point now A points 0, minus 8. And that is a B point 4, 0. Now both connected because every line have minimum 2 points. That I connected. So here A to B students, I just connect that in the line forming, and this line have already I known y is equal to how much? Sorry, y plus 8 is equal to 2x, and this line is neither vertical nor horizontal. It means lower half plane, upper half plane. How can we make the shading? First of all, verify. So I just checking to verify this one. So verification. Oh, 0, 0, and apply on that in the line y plus 8. Sorry, not in the line, in the inequalities. My mistake there. So x and y 0, no new. So what you getting? 8 greater than or equal to 0. It is true. Yes, definitely true, because 8 is higher than 0. It is your shading. This portion is the upper half plane is true. That side at any point if you take it, necessary it is true. So here you write down true. And shading portion is this side. But before shading, check greater than or equal to. It means no required to dotted line. Only you can make the shading in this way. On the connected to line, all answers here make the lines wise in the connected to line L and the shading portion in this form. It means your answer is passing through which quadrant? Yes, definitely quadrant number 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is also moving ahead at this side. They are infinitely equal, but not this side. It is my solution in this. Very easy. Last write down solution of given inequality. What is inequality? Y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x passing through. Oh, 0, 0. Must be write down this point. And in the line, my line is a L, that is given y plus 8 equal to 2x in which side they are going? Greater than or equal to? In upper half plane. Yes, in the closed form. So as y plus 8 equal to 2x in closed half plane. Why ain't this word close? Because here or equal to given. Only written greater than open half plane. Yes, closed half plane and passing through in the all quadrants. And here students, in the all quadrants wise, I just finished this sum. It's very easy. I think students, you understand very well in this type of questions. It's very simple questions. Here you checking 0, 0, another different point is also true, just like 2, 2, just like 3, 3, just like 2, 1, as you like, any points. You checking necessary, you can get it true. And true side, you make the shading, not the false side. These are the false sides. Okay? Over here. Now students, one more questions. Fifth one, x minus y less than or equal to 2. Same solutions. We going ahead. Suppose line L, I just understood that x minus y is equal to 2. Here every time you can write down is equal to then you can create the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and go to table. Best way, x0 alternately taking y0. Now if you are taking x0, put down the x0 minus y equal to 2. It means y is equal to minus 2. Now, if you take it y 0, x is equal to 2. Yes. And go to your graph, x positive side, y negative side. It means that side you are drawing. Most probable in the fourth quadrant wise. Your y-axis, x dash, your y dash. X-axis up to 2 I just write down. So your origin 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Y-axis negative sides. Minus 1, minus 2, minus. And now plotting 0 then minus 2. Here you are 0 then minus 2. Secondly, 2, 0. It means you are here, point P. And now A and B connected. It is form a line. So students, these are the both are connected in this forming the line. This side also they are the line. Now here just show my line is that L x minus y is equal to 2. Here students wait. Your questions are equal to, it means closed half plane, and these are the lower half plane. Here upper half plane. How can we derive the shading? Best way, checking origin. Yes. Here I check 0, 0 to verify. So x minus y less than 2. Apply 0 minus 0. Check 0 less than equal to 2. It is true. Definitely, because 0 less than 2 is correct. 0 not equal to 2. But any one case is true, your answer is true. You can show here it is true. Either you also taking different points just like this one. Just like this one. Don't worry students, any number you check, just like checking now one. Apply on it and check that answer is true. Yes. 0 less than 2. It is true. It is my shading in this part of upper half plane of the line. And shaded portion check or equal to given. So no required to dotted line. Only shading in that form this way. And here you create the answers. In the less or equal to, touching the line, exactly touches the line. Don't side this side, but only that in these lines are touching our lines. And answer ready. So, solution of given inequality. My question is that x minus y less than equal to 2 is passing through. Yes, definitely passing through origin. Passing through origin and in the line. What is the line L? Our line L is x minus y is equal to 2 in. Now write down open half plane or closed half plane. All equal to given is closed half plane. In closed half plane and passing through which quadrant? Quadrant number 1, 2, 3, 4 also possible. So passing through in all 4. Students, why this indicate the closed half plane? Closed half plane means a line is also in the solution part. That's why your less than equal to, I just touching these parts, all of that. And if you dotted line right, then it is your open half plane. It means the line is not including in the answer. Here, line is included in the answer. So students, here our question number 5 is very easily and very completely in this part fit. And students, this part is also done here. Further explanation for in this exercise, I explain you in the next part. Okay? Bye bye. See you.